guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Today we are in the Centro Storico of Scalea in this beautiful palazzo, which I've had my eye on for so long. You can see it from every part of Scalea because it's massive. This one has a project that has been done and approved, however it needs to be redone. It is set up for 12 individual apartments, or it could be a massive luxury hotel. This palazzo is very famous, very old. It's one of the grand houses of Scalea, and we're going to give you a sneak peek. Okay, we just came in the front door and there's this magnificent marble staircase. It's hard to see because there's a lot of dust and stuff over the top of it, but it's this beautiful marble and it goes up to the second level. Now there's 2 more levels below this and another level up top, and there's what's called a sobalco, which could add another 2,000 square meters to this palazzo. We're not going to show you the whole thing because it's massive and a lot of the rooms look the same, but I'm going to show you some of the highlights. You're going to be amazed. Okay, I wanted to show you this older section of the palazzo because it's got some really beautiful features in it. Here is just a little soggiorno area, like a cute little seating area, library type thing. But we're going to go into the big grand ballroom. Wait till you see. Okay, we are in the grand ballroom in this stunning palazzo. And you'll see there are some very, very beautiful things. It is covered with fresco. Really, every wall space has some kind of fresco on it, and a lot of them are scenes from Scalea. So, for example, there's one of the Palau Tower over there. There's pictures of the surrounding area. There's all sorts of beautiful designs. Now, there is a guy in Naples who can come down and restore all these frescoes exactly as they were. Take a look. Now, we were back in the entrance. Ooh. And there's another little stanza here. Oh, look, a little courtyard. Questo cortile è parte del palazzo, vero? Sì. Okay, there's a little courtyard here. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Wow, check out. Look at this ballroom. Oh my goodness. And look at, you got the old tiles. I wish I could had some water here so you could see. They're sort of the old tiles. Ecco una parte dove possiamo vedere i piastrelli. Okay, this is what they look like. I don't know if you could salvage them, but you could probably salvage some of them and put them in as a little as a design detail mount. Look at this. The ceiling has this amazing painting on it and all kinds of beautiful decorations. This is absolutely stunning. Look at this place. Wow. And these paintings are done right on the wall. C'è qualcuno che può reparare tutte queste pitture? Questi quadri?
Sì.
Okay. There's
some. I call one team in Naples.
Okay.
This was remake.
In Napoli, there is a team that restores these things, but look how beautiful they are. This is absolutely amazing. This is a hugely elegant living room, ballroom, whatever you want to call it. Quite amazing. And look at this view. Okay, so right here, you are right up from the area pedonale, which is right down there. That's the walking area down in Scalea. Down there is our favorite ice cream shop. Over there is the big parking lot. And then there's Palau Tower, and then you've got all the lidos along the beach there. This place is perfectly located, and look, you're not far from all the service. As far as location goes, this is absolutely the best. You could not get a better location. You're in the historic center, but you're so close to everything, including the beaches. A short walk, and you're there. This is amazing. Okay, we're coming out of the big dining room area. Obviously, this place needs a little love, but it's not in horrible shape because we're inside. And nothing's falling on our head. Here's another little room. Looks like it might have been a little pranzo or something. And then you've got this little area here. There's what was a bathroom at one point. Needs love, but the size is massive. It's really nice and big. Okay, there's a lot you can do.